Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday, which is the show that we do every Monday where we just go through a few things that we think is relevant for the particular topic of the month. At the moment, we're talking about structuring, so we're going through 3 questions to consider about your structure. Jeremy is here, so hello, Jeremy, and if you want to kick off with the first one.
Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. So thanks, Craig. The first one is to consider what is your goal. So this is really important from a structuring point of view because depending on what your goal and where you're hoping to go with your business will determine what structure is best for you. If you intend to sell in the near future, then you might have a very different business to if you're hoping to build a lifestyle business in the future. You might have a very different structure, I should say. So another way to think about this is what are you trying to achieve in your business? So that's the first thing to think about is what is your goal? Craig, the second one.
The second one is have a think about what your current situation is or other current structures that you might have in place. Because if you do have some structures, you might be able to utilize those in your business structure. Obviously seek the advice about what those other structures have done in the past, particularly from an accounting point of view, and also from a legal point of view. You don't just use different structures willy-nilly. Make sure you get the advice. That could be a good way of utilizing current structures that you have and using the benefit of something that you've set up in the past in your current situation. So if you've got any current structures, have a think about whether or not you can utilize those. So that's the second one. Jeremy, what's the third?
The third and final one, Craig, is who do you need to get advice from? Here we're talking about being a whoer. So not just trying to make the decisions yourself. You don't always have all the answers. You don't know everything. I don't know everything. Craig doesn't know everything. Human beings, there's a lot of stuff that we don't know about. So you've got to think about who are you going to get advice from? And this really needs to be professionals. You will get lots of well-meaning advice at barbecues or from your friends and family who will have heard advice given to them for their structure that will work for them. That's not necessarily going to be right for you and for your structure. This is really important to understand that your friends and family with all the best intentions in the world can give you some really bad advice. Anyone who's read my book will see that I've given plenty of examples of where well-intentioned advice has caused really big problems for people. So you need to make sure that you get the right advice. Talk to your consultants, talk to your lawyer, talk to your accountant. Make sure they're talking together. Because if they're not talking together, that's where the mistakes happen. That's where the problems come in business that you don't intend. And as I said, it's all well-intentioned. And don't think that I'm rubbishing out on your family and friends and thinking that they're not doing the right thing. They are. And they have all the best intentions in the world, but they may not understand something about you and your structure. Often, you might think that you get advice from, a psychiatrist or a psychologist. They probably know more about you than you know about yourself. So do your lawyer and your accountant if they know everything and you're not hiding anything from them. And there's certain things you may not tell your family and friends. So look, get the right advice, become a hooer, become someone who goes and gets advice from all the different people, and make sure that you get the right advice from them about your situation so that you can build a great business and take it right through the business legal life cycle. So Craig, that's the 3 tips. Do you want to finish up?
Yeah, excellent. So if you've got any questions about any of those tips or want to touch base with us about anything, we're here willing to help and assist you. If you've got any questions about who the consultants might be, we should be able to put you in touch with someone as well. But as Jeremy said, it's very important to speak to the right consultants in this phase of the business life cycle. So thank you for joining us. We'll be back again on Wednesday for our longer form show regarding structures in your business. So hopefully you can join us then. And thanks for today.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.